Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This video I want to show you how you can import multiple images or elements into your design. So this can be very frustrating where you have to import every single element into your design one after the other. It is very frustrating for designs that has to do with a lots of elements. Very frustrating. So I found a solution to this problem that a lot of people have been battling with. So if now before we start the video, if you know that you are new on this channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification so that anytime I upload a video like this, you will be the first person to get the notification. All right, so let's get started. So as you can see, I've imported this design on this image over here, and if I want to do that, I'll have to go to my import again and click on another one, bring it one after the other, which is very frustrating, like I said, you see. But the solution here is that you can actually import the number of images that you want to import at a go, but your hand has to be very fast. You have to be very quick at it before you will be able to import all these things. So let me go ahead and delete these two elements that I brought here. All right. So what are you going to do? This is what you are going to do, right? You see this icon right here that says import, the one that you use to import your images. Click on it very fast. So if you want to import, let's say 5 images or 5 elements, you have to tap on it very fast 5 times. Okay. But before you do all those things, I want you to come to this layer here, this icon here that says layer. Okay. And make sure all the layer that you have, the element that you have, are locked. Okay. At times, if you're importing the elements, it may distract the whole work. Okay. So you have to lock everything for smooth effects of this action that I'm showing you right now. Okay. So what you want to do is to click on this import icon very fast. So let's say I want to import 3 different elements. So I'll click on it 3 times very fast. 1, 2, 3. So because I wasn't fast enough, I can only choose 2. You see, so if you click on a check, it will bring another one. You click on a check. Can you see that? Can you see that? Let me delete these 2. Let me try again and see if I can do it 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So I can choose 5 different designs. Okay. So I can choose only 3 for this particular one. Okay. So you have to be very fast for you to be able to do this. Okay. To import multiple images or elements onto your working area or into your Pixellab. So if you find this video helpful, please make sure you subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification, and I'll see you in my next video.